If you have been searching for a job in the UK with visa sponsorship, stop random typing visa sponsorship job in UK into Google, because there is an official UK government website where you can actually filter vacancies and ask websites to show you only jobs that offer skilled worker visa sponsorship. And I'm not just going to give you the website. I'm going to share my screen and show you exactly how to search it, how to remove jobs that don't sponsor visas, how to check the requirements, and most importantly, how to avoid wasting your time applying for jobs you are not qualified for. Watch this video to the end, because I'm going to show you the one mistake people make when they see this word visa sponsorship available. This is the teaching vacancies. And notice something important before we continue. Look at the domain service.gov.uk. This is not a random requirement blog. This is the UK government's teaching vacancies service. But I also want to correct something that is extremely important. This is not a website for every job in the United Kingdom, primarily for teaching, leadership, support, and education-related vacancy in England. So if somebody tells you that the website contains every sponsored job in Britain, that is incorrect. What makes this website interesting for international applicants is this. Let me show you. Right here, under visa sponsorship, there is an option, only show jobs with visa sponsorship. This is the button I want you to remember. Instead of opening hundreds of thousands of vacancies and manually checking whether they sponsor visas, select these options. Then click Apply Filter. Now, the website has removed jobs that are listed as not offering sponsorship. The distinction is extremely important. Without the filter, you will find many vacancies saying visas cannot be sponsored. If you require sponsorship, applying to those jobs is normally going to waste your time. But once we activate the sponsorship filter, look at what appears underneath eligible listing. Skilled worker visas can be sponsored. Not we are a diverse employer. Not applicants worldwide can apply. What I want to see is actually sponsorship information. Now, look at the type of positions appearing here. At the time I'm recording this video, I'm seeing positions such as teaching assistant, lecturer in English, lecturer in maths, lecturer in construction, lecturer in animal management, teachers of music and music technology, qualified teacher in English, and other education-related roles. And notice something interesting. These are not all traditional secondary school teacher positions. There are also further education college lecturer position and some support roles. That means you should search according to your actual qualifications instead of assuming there is nothing for you. This is where most people should slow down. Don't click every sponsor vacancy. Filter according to what you can actually do. If you are a teacher, select teacher or lecturer. Your background is in IT. Check whether there are appropriate IT support positions. If you are an administration, HR, finance, or data, you can filter those roles. There are also teaching assistants, leadership positions, and other support jobs. But remember, visa sponsorship availability does not automatically mean you qualify for the vacancy. You still have to meet the employer's requirement. Hey, real quick before we continue, drop your subject in the comments right now. English, math, computing, construction, whatever your field is, I'll send you my sponsorship job sites checklist for free, so you don't have to remember every one of these filters on your own. Now, we don't stop just because the search result says sponsorship. Open the vacancy. First, check the job title. Does it match your professional background? Second, check the salary. Third, check whether it is full-time or part-time. Fourth, check the closing date. Fifth, check visa sponsorship. I want you to physically see skilled worker visa can be sponsored. This section is more important than the sponsorship label. Read what skills and experience we are looking for. Check the required qualification. Check experience. Check whether professional or teaching qualification are essential or desirable. Check the job description. Download supporting documents if they have provided. That is where you decide, am I actually qualified? Don't change your CV to pretend you meet the qualification you don't have. Don't invent teaching experience, and don't apply simply because you saw visa sponsorship. Your application should demonstrate how your real experience matches the particular vacancy. Remember at its start, I told you there is one mistake people make when they see this word, visa sponsorship available. When a vacancy says skilled work visa can be sponsored, that doesn't mean congratulations, you have a UK visa. And it doesn't mean everybody who applies will receive sponsorship. You still need to successfully get a job. The employer must sponsor you where required. And the immigration requirement for the skilled worker route still have to be satisfied. Once you are satisfied that the vacancy matches your experience, the requirement fits your profile, the deadline is still open, and visa sponsorship is offered, then follow the employer's application instruction. Don't send the same generic CV or supporting statement everywhere. Read the person's specification. Read the major requirements. Then demonstrate evidence against those requirements. For example, if they ask for curriculum experience, show your recent curriculum experience. If they ask for classroom management, demonstrate classroom management. If they want industry experience for an FE lecturer position, make that experience obvious. Make the recruiter's job easy. Here is another feature I don't want you to ignore. You can receive a job alert for searches matching your criteria. And this is powerful because vacancies change constantly. The job you are seeing today may close. New ones may appear tomorrow. So instead of depending on TikTok video, WhatsApp group, or somebody forwarding you an opportunity 3 days before the deadline, build your own system. Search, filter, create alert, and then check regularly. This website is worth checking if you are searching for education sector position in England, particularly teaching, lecturer, leadership. But please hear me. Don't assume every job sponsors visas. Don't assume sponsorship means automatic immigration approval. Don't assume you are qualified simply because your degree has a similar name. Use the official vacancy, read the requirements, and apply through the legitimate process. So here is your assignment after watching this video. Go to the Teaching Vacancies website, open the filters, select only show jobs with sponsorship, then choose the job category and subject that actually match your qualifications. Don't apply randomly. And if you want me to keep finding a verified legitimate scholarships, internships, fellowship, and visa sponsorship opportunities like this, subscribe to my channel. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with a friend who needs this information. And remember, finding the opportunity is step one. Being qualified enough to compete for it is what gets you the job.